Meaning of embouchure.
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 Embouchure. Embouchure refers to the way in which a person's lips and facial muscles are used to play a wind instrument such as a flute, trumpet, or clarinet. Proper embouchure technique is crucial for producing a clear, consistent tone on the instrument. A good embouchure involves the proper placement and shape of the lips, as well as the use of the cheek and jaw muscles to support the sound. Mastering the correct embouchure takes practice and dedication, but can greatly improve a musician's overall performance and tone quality.